The Oraimo Rhyme was first introduced in late 2020, and in this video I will share my experience based on the design, sound quality, and lastly the ANC feature. The earpods now goes for around 18,500 naira on Oraimo eShop website. Previously it was sold for around 16,500 naira, but this is due to the increase in dollar rates. Use my coupon code GEEKDAILYNOW if you want to get a 5% discount. The Oraimo Rhyme is packed with a lot of features, and I'm really surprised it comes with ANC feature and also ENC feature. Alright, so with that said, let me show you what's inside the Oraimo Rhyme box. Inside the box, you are first greeted with the Oraimo Rhyme itself, extra ear tips, Type-C USB cable, and user manual. Packaging was really smaller than I expected. I have this mindset that the sound quality will be great since it's named Oraimo Rhyme, and this is going to be great for music lovers and call lovers. The Oraimo Rhyme charging case comes in a polished color that attracts the eye. This also means it will also get scratches easily. The earpods are small and feel extremely light, which are comfortable for everyone. The charging case is really small, which means the earpod should fit into your tight trouser. The Oraimo Rhyme has a premium design and the microphone placement is perfect. This means people are going to hear you very clearly while you're on calls. The lightweight construction adds to the comfort factor, making it suitable for everyday use and workouts. The earpods comes with various sizes of ear tips. This means it should fit into any ear shape. The Oraimo Rhyme comes with active noise cancellation feature and environmental noise cancellation feature, and also a low latency game mode. The reset button was placed at the back of the Oraimo Rhyme charging case. I must say, the sound quality is really great. Immediately I started playing music, I could hear the punchy bass even while on low volume, and immediately I increased the volume, I could hear the bass punching really hard. I would say this earpod are worth the price due to the active noise cancellation and the environmental noise cancellation feature it has. This feature will help you improve audio performance when it comes to people listening to you, and also you being able to listen to them very well. And when it comes to game mode, I would advise you turn on the low latency game mode. The Oraimo Rhyme low latency game mode will be helpful for those that plays first shooter game like Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG and any other game you feel like playing. Although while listening to music I could barely notice any low latency. The built-in microphone on the Oraimo Rhyme ensures call quality. The ANC feature on the earpods contributes to the improved call quality by making sure the background noise are eliminated. This allows you to hold conversations even in noisy environments. The Bluetooth connectivity is quite fast and you could enjoy music even from a distance of about 10 meters. The earpod comes with touch control which allows you to pause, play, next, or go to the previous song. The Oraimo Rhyme can last up to 6 hours while listening to music. The battery capacity of each earpod is about 40 mAh, while the charging case is about 380 mAh. This can last up to 2 hours. This means the earpod can easily accompany you throughout the day. To turn on the active noise cancellation feature on this earpod, you need to touch and hold the left earpod for about 2 seconds till you hear a 2 beep. And please also note that the ANC would only work if both earpods are plugged in. The active noise cancellation feature is quite impressive. When it comes to choosing the right earpod that can handle test of time and various weather conditions, then the Oraimo Rhyme earpods can actually do that. I was not able to verify if it comes with water resistance feature. This is because it was not written on the Oraimo Rhyme box. Here's my conclusion on the device. Due to the features it comes with, like the active noise cancellation and environmental noise cancellation, with a sleek design and sound quality, you are definitely getting a value from your money. And if you wish to place an order, you can actually use my coupon code GEEKDAILYNOW and you're going to get a 5% discount when you purchase this product. See you in the next one.